What if I told you that you could start an online business today without inventory, without employees, and without even touching a product? Some people claim they're making hundreds of dollars a day using AI and Shopify. But is this actually real or just another internet fantasy? So today I'm going to test it myself. In this video, I'm going to try to build a fully working dropshipping store using AI tools. But I'm giving myself 3 strict rules. Rule number 1, I can only use free AI tools. Rule number 2, I must build everything from my laptop. Rule number 3, I must finish the entire setup in less than 1 hour. And by the end of this video, we'll see if this store can actually make real sales online. Now, you've probably seen videos online claiming things like make $500 per day with AI, earn passive income while you sleep. But most of those videos skip the most important part. Does it actually work in real life? So instead of just talking about it, I decided to build a real store and test it. No complicated coding, no expensive software, just AI tools and smart strategy. And honestly, some of the results surprised me. Let's start the timer. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first thing every online store needs is a niche. A niche is simply the type of products you want to sell. Examples include fitness, pets, gadgets, fashion, home decor. Now, many beginners make the mistake of choosing a niche based on what they personally like. But a smarter way is to choose something with high demand. For example, fitness products sell extremely well online because millions of people want to get stronger, lose weight, improve performance. So, for this experiment, I decided to choose the fitness niche. And honestly, it's a great market because people are constantly looking for products that can improve their workouts. But choosing the niche is just the beginning. Because now we need to build the actual store, and this is where AI becomes very interesting. Step 2, use AI to build the store. Normally, creating an online store can take hours, sometimes even days. You have to design pages, upload products, write descriptions, and organize everything. But AI tools can now automatically build large parts of the store for you. That means product pages, images, descriptions, layout can be generated much faster. Instead of designing everything manually, AI helps create a ready-to-launch store structure. Think of it like hiring a virtual assistant that works instantly. But here's the important thing. Even though AI helps build the store, you should still check everything carefully because the goal is to make the store look clean, simple, and trustworthy. And that leads to the next important step. Now, the store looked good, but a store without products is basically just an empty building. So the next challenge was finding products that people actually want to buy. And this part can make or break your entire business. Step 3. Find winning products. In dropshipping, the product is everything. You don't want to sell random items. You want products that solve a problem, improve someone's life, or make a hobby easier. For example, in the fitness niche, some popular products include resistance bands, workout accessories, training equipment. These products work well because people use them regularly. Let's take a simple example. A resistance band might cost around $5 from a supplier, but online stores often sell them for $15 to $20. That difference becomes your profit margin. Now imagine selling just 10 per day. Suddenly that small margin starts adding up. But of course, people can't buy your product if they don't know your store exists. So the next step is getting traffic. Step 4. Make the store look trustworthy. Before sending traffic to the store, there are a few things that must look professional. Customers are very careful online. If a website looks suspicious, they will leave in seconds. So every store should have clear product photos, simple descriptions, refund policy, shipping information. These small details build trust. For example, when someone sees a clear return policy, they feel safer buying the product. Think about it like walking into a physical store. If the store is messy and confusing, you probably won't buy anything. But if the store looks clean and organized, you feel more comfortable spending money. And once the store looked ready, it was finally time to send visitors. But here's the problem. Most beginners think they need thousands of dollars for advertising, and that's where many people quit. But there's actually a much simpler way to start. Step 5. Use micro-influencers for marketing instead of expensive ads. Many online brands work with micro-influencers. Micro-influencers are creators with smaller but very engaged audiences, usually between 10,000 and 50,000 followers. And surprisingly, these smaller creators often have better engagement than huge influencers. Why? Because their audience trusts them more. For example, if a fitness creator shares a workout product, their followers are much more likely to try it. It feels more personal and authentic. So instead of spending thousands on ads, a small promotion from the right creator can bring targeted traffic. And sometimes that's enough to get the first sales. But here's the big question. After building the store, finding products, and sending traffic, did the store actually make any money? Or did this entire experiment fail? The results honestly surprised me. But before we talk about the numbers, there's one more important lesson about scaling. Step 6. Scaling the store. One product might bring a few sales, but the real power of dropshipping happens when you scale multiple products. Instead of relying on one item, you add more products that fit the same niche. For example, a fitness store could sell resistance bands, workout gloves, hydration bottles, training accessories. Now your store becomes a complete brand, not just a single product page. And when customers trust the store, they often buy more than one item. That's how many small stores slowly grow into full businesses. After launching the store and sending traffic, the first few hours were completely silent. No sales, no notifications, nothing. But then, the first order came in, and then another one, and another. Within a short time, the store started getting real purchases from customers. Now the profit per product wasn't huge, but that's normal in dropshipping because the real strategy is volume. Even small profits become powerful when multiplied across many sales. And the most important lesson from this experiment was simple. Starting an online store today is easier than ever before, but success still depends on smart decisions and consistency. AI tools can help you build things faster, but they don't replace effort, creativity, and persistence. Some people will try once and quit. Others will learn, improve, and keep going. And those are the people who eventually succeed. So if you're thinking about starting an online business, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Learn as you go. And who knows? Your first sale might be closer than you think.